What we're doing here is we're doing an exercise for Fife Council. We just obviously hire out the machine to them, but they're doing like reinstatement of new footpaths, upgrades. My father started the company off in '74 with him and my mother. We're just coming up for our 50-year anniversary next year. This is how we've got the promo machine behind us there. 2 or 3 of my friends have got these diggers and they've done different colours. I just decided to go for the grey, you know, it's quite a modern colour nowadays and it's a talking point if anything, you know. The product of JCB is our favourite brand. It's one of the best products out there and our guys like to operate them. And the backup for Scott JCB itself is second to none. Could be anywhere in Scotland and they'll be out to help us at a drop of a hat. The 3CX model, I feel it's the most versatile machine out there. Why I went for the Pro is more or less the drivability, capabilities of it, and actually easeability of operating it. You don't actually need loaders to transport it from site to site. With the new 50k box, you could more or less quite easily commute in a 30-mile radius with ease. They're a lot better on the road with this torque lock. Long gone the days of a 3-mile tailback. So going from the sticks in the old days to the servo control, the smoothness and drivability of it is second to none actually. And what we're finding, 9 times out of 10, the guys are actually gobsmacked at how smooth it is a machine to operate.
The machine's fantastic, the guys all love it. Nice for when you're in tight sites like this one here. It's got the big mirrors on it, so I can see the guys. And for a big spacious cab for a big guy like me. And I love it that much, so I've put my name on it.
The slide, that was one of the specs that an operator did have that he didn't have on his last machine. The only thing he wanted was the back actor slide, and he's blown away with that.
Power slide on these machines is absolutely fantastic. We've never had it before. We've got it now. You just push the button, few settings, and away we go. Just like that. Simple.
So when you're in a tight-knit network and services under the ground, you know the power slide itself just comes into itself with obviously manoeuvrability as opposed to having to use the back actors to move it. Hopefully we'll be able to get more and more of them.